Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a long video into a short aesthetic clips that ready to upload using CapCut's AutoCut feature. This method is super easy, beginner friendly, and save you a lot of time. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut on your phone and then just go to AI Labs, this one, and then just choose AutoCut, this one. This feature that will automatically edit your video for you using ready-made templates. So just choose your video that you want to edit, like vlogs, travel clips, or even random footage. And as you can see on this page, you will see a bunch of templates options. CapCut will provide different categories like for you, beats, lyric videos, or for status, or celebrates, or vlogs, and many more. And most of these are already designed to look aesthetic and trendy. Just pick one that you like and apply it to your video. And then after applying a template, you still have plenty of room to customize. Just tap on edit, and here you can select which part of the video to keep. Just tap on the clips and then select crop, and like this you can select the parts that you want to use. And then you can also change or replace the background music. Just click on the audio and then just choose music that you want, and even you can also extract audio from your another videos or just add sounds from your device. And then you can also swap out video clips, and even for some templates you can even add a sticker. And then if you want more advanced control, just simply tap on edit more, this one, and it will take your video into a CapCut timeline editor where you can fine-tune everything just like a normal project. And then when you're happy with the edit, just tap export in the top right corner. And that's it. In just a few steps you can turn any long video into a short aesthetic clips using CapCut's AutoCut feature. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!